Alright guys, hi, Smoking Bears here with you. Today is my cast iron Wednesday. I'm going to do some ham and eggs in a cup. Cheers. Got the Lodge Biscuit Pan. Heated up in 350-degree oven. Base, I just set it in the oven and then turned on to 350 degrees. So it's screaming hot. Now I have regular Oscar Mayer ham. I'm just going to drop it in right in the center. Try to form up the edges a little bit so it makes a nice little cup. I'll do that to all these here. Let me get one right here so you guys can see really well. Push it in. Boom. Alright, so now that I got all these in, put the ham aside. Take a cackleberry egg. Crack it. I always just try to drop it right on in the center. Just try to ease it in there, because you don't really want to get it underneath the ham. It's like the little creases in the ham, you don't want it to get up underneath. But if you do, fortunately your iron's already hot, so it'll start to cook the egg. All right. All of them are done. Little Himalayan pink salt, just a pinch, a few shakes per. Black pepper. Obviously you can use whatever kind of seasoning you like. Cajun spice is very, very good, but for this I just want to keep it simple. All right, back into the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going for like a hard-boiled egg type deal with these, so I'm going to go for the toothpick test, which should be about, all right, this was 23 minutes, and the toothpick went in clean, came out clean. And the reason why I do it this way is because I meal prep, so I'm going to put these in the fridge and I'll have them for breakfast for the next couple days. You know, I'll run a couple batches or for the whole week. Let's pull one of these bad boys out. It comes out clean, and there you go. All right, guys, that was my quick cast iron Wednesday. It's a little look into what I've been doing. These little ham and egg cups are super easy. You can do them outside on the grill. You can do them in the oven. I just did it in the oven today just for simplicity. Give them a try. Tweak them. You know, let me know in the comments if you try it and you like it. Pretty awesome little deal. My wife loves them. Like I said, I meal prep them, so I have them for the week. That's Smoking Bears. I'm out. Enjoy. Have a great week.